Hey everyone, and today on my table it's a robot vacuum cleaner. It's a Conga 1099, and this one you have problem that it accepts charging and it shows it's charged, but it cannot be turned on. And when you turn it on and making it run, when it's in a charging station, it just stops. So I think that the battery will be dead, and now we will try to access the battery of this vacuum cleaner. For the battery we can see that's the two screws. Yep, and we can access the battery. I will disconnect it. Okay. What can you see? You can see that it's a rechargeable Li-ion battery, blah 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 blah. Nominal is 14.4 and the charging voltage is 16.8. Yep, so it must show the 14.4 volts. Here I will try to measure it. And probably my multimeter will not be capable to reach this ones, or maybe I will. Yeah, so you can see that this battery is completely dead. It shows 1.4, so it's definitely dead battery. Okay, now basically what I did, I have connected the wires, one to the negative and one to the positive, and I will try to jump start it. I hope that nothing will explode or something. Okay, and I'm touching the battery to feel it's hot or not. No, it's not hot. I will try to measure the voltage. Yeah, 15.9, because it's a 14.4 volt battery from Makita, as you can see, and okay, I think that will be enough for the first try. Now I will measure the voltage on this battery only. Sorry, hide the multimeter. 1.6. It's still not enough for us, so I will try to hold it a little bit longer. Okay, the negative and the positive. Okay, so I will hold it for 10 minutes or so. Okay, I have held it for a longer time and it's just not accepting the charge. So basically I think it needs to be replaced. Okay, I have received the replacement battery, the genuine battery, the replacement battery. This one have more ampere hours, so the cleaner will work longer. I will reopen the cover here. And basically now I hope that everything will fit here. Okay, we hear the sound. Yep. the connection fit. So now we can close the cover. Okay, I can see the, yeah. So it's working, and that was an easy repair, just a battery replacement for this vacuum cleaner. And for now, just thank you for watching. Bye.